Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read out a chapter from class 3rd, chapter number 4, Vacation with my Nanima. So let's start. Chirag and Nandini love their Nanima. She is their best friend. They love playing and learning with her. Listening to her stories is their favorite activity. Nanima shows them a magic trick. You hide some marbles with your handkerchief. I shall tell you the number of marbles you have hidden. Can you tell what the trick is? You have 4 under your handkerchief. Let us do. Perform the trick on your friends. Write the numbers of hidden seats in the table below. Total seats 15, 17, 19. Seats on the table 12, 10, 8. Hidden seats. Total seats 20, 23, 27. Seats on the table 9, 7, 12. Hidden seats. Teacher's note. Say a number between 1 and 9. The child has to quickly say the number which makes it 9. Repeat this task with other numbers like 10 and 20. Both of them have brought a lot of things for their Nanima. Nandini takes out Nanima's favorite sweet, Balusahi. We got your favorite sweet. I know you love to read, Nanima. So we got some magazines for you. I too got Balusahi for you. Nandini had 7 Balusahi in her box and Chirag had 5 Balusahi in his box. Draw the number of dots. 7 Balusahi plus 5 Balusahi. We bought the same number of Balusahi from the shop. Did you eat some of them? Haha. I did eat some. How many did he eat? Balusahi. 7 Balusahi minus 5 Balusahi is equal to Balusahi. Chirag got 9 storybooks for Nanima and Nandini got 7 puzzle books for Nanima. How many total books did the children get for Nanima? So many books for me. Let us do. Use the tens frame to solve the following. 1. 6 plus 8 is equal to 2. 5 plus 10 is equal to 3rd. 9 minus 6 equal to 4. 18 minus 9 equal to. Let us play. Card game. Make 4 sets of number cards with numbers 1 to 10.
With numbers 1 to 10.
Shuffle and spread out all cards.
Shuffle and spread out all cards.
Facing down.
Facing down.
Take turns with your friends
Take turns with your friends
to open one card
to open one card
at a time.
at a time.
When you open,
When you open,
look at your card
look at your card
and the cards already opened.
and the card already opened.
If any 3 cards make an addition
If any 3 cards make an addition
or a subtraction statement,
or subtraction statement,
you can keep all 3 cards,
you can keep all 3 cards.
else
Else,
put it down open.
put it down open.
For example,
For example,
Nandini opens 4,
Nandini opens 4.
the numbers 2 and 6
The numbers 2 and 6
are already open.
are already open.
So Nandini can keep all 3 cards,
So Nandini can keep all 3 cards.
2,
2,
4
4
and 6.
and 6.
The game continues till all cards are opened.
The game continues till all cards are open.
Whoever
Whoever
collects the greatest number
collects the greatest number
of cards
of cards
wins the game.
wins the game.
1,
1,
2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
9.
9.
Nandini and Chirag
Nandini and Chirag
have got their stamps
have got their stamps
to show to their friends
to show to their friends
and Nanima.
and Nanima.
Look Nanima,
Look, Nanima.
we have collected 15 stamps.
Yes, we have collected 15 stamps.
Let me give you
Let me give you
some more.
some more.
Here are 7 more.
Here are 7 more.
How many stamps
How many stamps
do they have now?
do they have now?
Nandini,
Nandini,
Chirag and Nanima
Chirag and Nanima
figured out the answer
figure out the answer
in 3 different ways
in 3 different ways
using their Ginladi.
using their Ginladi.
Plus 1,
Plus 1,
plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 7,
plus 7,
15,
15,
22.
22.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Nandini and Chirag
Nandini and Chirag
have 22 stamps.
have 22 stamps.
Nanima's brother
Nanima's brother
gives them his collection
gives them his collection
of 30 stamps.
of 30 stamps.
How many stamps
How many stamps
do they have now?
do they have now?
22 stamps
22 stamps
plus
plus
stamps
stamp
equal to
equal to
stamps
stamps
or 22
or 22
plus
plus
they now have 52 stamps.
they now have 52 stamps.
Nandini and Chirag count and find
Nandini and Chirag count and find
that they have 37 stamps
that they have 37 stamps
with faces of famous persons
with faces of famous persons
and the remaining with pictures of
and the remaining with pictures of
monuments.
monuments.
How many stamps with pictures of monuments
How many stamps with pictures of monuments
do they have?
do they have?
I can do it this way.
I can do it this way.
They have 15 stamps
They have 15 stamps
with pictures of monuments.
with pictures of monuments.
Can you find other ways
Can you find other ways
of doing it?
of doing it?
52 stamps
52 stamps
minus 37 stamps
minus 37 stamps
equal to
is equal to
stamps
stamps
or
or
37 stamps
37 stamps
plus
plus
stamps
stamps
is equal to
is equal to
52 stamps.
52 stamps.
Nanima,
Nanima,
we have 52 stamps now.
we have 52 stamps now.
Next time when we come,
Next time when we come,
we will have 75 stamps.
we will have 75 stamps.
How many more stamps
How many more stamps
will they need?
will they need?
Figure it out using the number line.
Figure it out using the number line.
Teachers note
Teachers note
different strategies
different strategies
of jumping on the number line
of jumping on the number line
for solving the problems
for solving the problems
should be encouraged
should be encouraged
throughout the chapter.
throughout the chapter.
Revise skip counting
Revise skip counting
for small numbers in the class.
for small numbers in the class.
Let us do.
Let us do
1.
1.
Solve using a Ginladi.
Solve using a Ginladi.
A.
A.
34 plus 6.
34 plus 6.
B.
B.
23 plus 12.
23 plus 12.
C.
C.
33 minus 5.
33 minus 5.
D.
D.
42 minus 15.
42 minus 15.
2.
2.
A frog is jumping on the Ginladi.
A frog is jumping on the Ginladi.
He is at 7.
He is at 7.
He wants to jump 10 beats
He wants to jump 10 beats
at a time.
at a time.
Mark the beats
Mark the beats
that he will jump on
that he will jump on
and write the numbers.
and write the numbers.
3.
3.
The frog again jumps forward
The frog again jumps forward
by 10 each time.
by 10 each time.
Mark all the places
Mark all the places
where the frog will land.
where the frog will land.
4.
4.
The grasshopper jumps backward
The grasshopper jumps backward
by 10 each time.
by 10 each time.
Mark all the beats
Mark all the beats
that the grasshopper
that the grasshopper
will jump on
will jump on
and write numbers.
and write numbers.
Some ants are carrying
Some ants are carrying
big leaves to their homes.
big leaves to their homes.
They will eat these leaves
They will eat these leaves
in the rainy season.
in the rainy season.
Nanima can tell
Nanima can tell
how many ants
how many ants
there are.
there are.
Without looking under the leaves,
Without looking under the leaves,
can you also tell
can you also tell
how many ants there are
how many ants there are
under the leaves?
under the leaves?
Fill the answers
Fill the answers
in the boxes provided.
in the boxes provided.
5.
5.
Fill in the tables
Fill in the tables
by jumping as instructed.
by jumping as instructed.
Jump 5,
Jump 5,
34,
34,
39,
39,
56,
56,
66,
66,
87,
87,
82,
82,
87.
87.
Jump 6,
Jump 6,
28,
28,
34,
34,
59,
59, 67,
71,
71,
67,
67,
73.
73.
Jump 9,
Jump 9,
29,
29,
38,
38,
12,
12,
39,
39,
84,
84,
93.
93.
Let us play.
Let us play.
Adding and subtracting smartly
Adding and subtracting smartly
with the number greed.
with the number greed.
Let us play a greed game.
Let us play a greed game.
Each player takes turns
Each player takes turn
rolling 2 dice
rolling 2 dice
to make a 2-digit number
to make a 2-digit number
and moves the counter
and move the counter
by the number
by the number
they have made.
they have made.
They can choose to move forward
They can choose to move forward
or backward.
or backward.
The first to reach a number
The first to reach a number
between 91 and 100
between 91 and 100
is the winner.
is the winner.
Teacher's note:
Teacher's note:
encourage children
encourage children
to add 2 numbers
to add 2 numbers
on the grid
on the grid
by playing the game.
by playing the game.
If you can't go forward,
If you can't move forward,
move backward.
move backward.
If none,
If none,
roll again.
roll again.
Nandini is at 23.
Nandini is at 23.
She has got 11
She has got 11
on the dice
on the dice
as the number.
as the number.
She thinks of 2 ways of
She thinks of 2 ways
moving to 34.
moving to 34.
Chirag is at 19.
Chirag is at 19.
He gets 54.
He gets 54
on the dice.
on the dice.
A jump from 23 to 34
A jump from 23 to 34
is
is
steps.
steps.
Help him move his counter
Help him move his counter
to the correct number.
to the correct number.
1.
1.
Use the number grid
Use the number grid
to answer the following.
to answer the following.
Show your thinking
Show your thinking
by drawing arrows in the grid.
by drawing arrows in the grid.
A.
A.
Nandini is at 45.
Nandini is at 45.
She gets 34.
She gets 34.
She will land on.
She will land on.
B.
B.
Chirag is at 75.
Chirag is at 75.
He gets 56.
He gets 56.
He will land on.
He will land on.
C.
C.
Nandini is at 30.
Nandini is at 30.
She gets 66.
She gets 66.
She will land on.
She will land on.
D.
D.
Chirag is at 89.
Chirag is at 89.
He gets 63.
He gets 63.
He will land on.
He will land on.
Teacher's note.
Teacher's note.
Introduce children
Introduce children
to different words
to different words
to express addition,
to express addition,
more,
more,
added to, total,
total,
sum, and subtraction.
and subtraction,
Take away, difference,
difference,
less, reduce, provide opportunities
provide opportunities
to children
to children
to make such jumps
to make such jumps
with other number
with other number
and help them notice
and help them notice
the pattern in the numbers.
the pattern in the numbers.
Magic sums.
Magic sums.
Nandini and Chirag find some puzzles
Nandini and Chirag find some puzzles
that Nanima had solved.
that Nanima had solved.
Observe the numbers.
Observe the numbers.
What do you notice?
What do you notice?
Fill the boxes below.
Fill the boxes below.
In each puzzle,
In each puzzle,
all numbers 1 to 9
all numbers 1 to 9
are there.
are there.
The numbers in each row
The numbers in each row
add up to the number
add up to the number
in the box on the right.
in the box on the right.
The numbers in each column
The numbers in each column
add up to the number
add up to the number
in the box below.
in the box below.
5,
5,
8,
8,
16,
16,
22,
22,
1,
1,
4,
4,
7,
7,
11,
11,
16,
16,
18,
18,
3,
3,
12,
12,
5,
5,
15,
15,
7,
7,
4,
4,
18,
18,
7,
7,
15,
15,
23,
23,
6,
6,
10,
10,
19,
19,
9,
9,
16,
16,
10,
10,
12,
12,
23,
23,
5,
5,
2,
2,
8,
8,
3,
3,
1,
1,
6,
6,
9,
9,
4,
4,
7,
7,
15,
15,
10,
10,
20,
20,
17,
17,
7,
7,
21.
21.
Add the numbers in the blue boxes
Add the numbers in the blue boxes
and the numbers in the red boxes
and the numbers in the red boxes.
in each of the puzzles.
And each of the puzzles,
What do you find?
what do you find?
Nanima was doing something
Nanima was doing something
in the newspaper.
in the newspaper.
Nandini and Chirag
Nandini and Chirag
looked into
looked into
what she was doing.
what she was doing.
Magic, magic, magic.
Magic, magic, magic.
With numbers 1 to 9,
With numbers 1 to 9,
add the numbers in a line
add the numbers in a line
from left to right
from left to right
and from top to bottom.
and from top to bottom.
Did you find the magic?
Did you find the magic?
Now try from right to left
Now try from right to left
and from bottom to top.
and from bottom to top.
Isn't it magical?
Isn't it magical?
There is something more.
There is something more.
something more,
Something more.
and the numbers on the diagonal.
And the numbers on the diagonal.
Isn't it magical?
Isn't it magical?
Nanima,
Nanima,
what is so magical
what is so magical
about this square?
about this square?
Fill the blanks
Fill in the blanks
to complete the magic square.
to complete the magic square.
3,
3,
9,
9,
6.
6.
Teacher's note.
Teachers know.
The teacher can create
The teachers can create
similar problems
similar problems
and challenge children
and challenge children
with puzzles.
with puzzles.
Nandini and Chirag
Nandini and Chirag
went to their Nanima's field.
went to their Nanima's field.
Nanima has 2 fields.
Nanima has 2 fields.
Nanima has plugged
Nanima has plucked
25 red radishes
25 red radishes
and 36 white radishes.
and 36 white radishes.
How many total radishes
How many total radishes
has she plugged?
has she plucked?
Nandini starts by drawing the problem
Nandini starts by drawing the problem
on the ground.
on the ground.
Red radish
Red radish
25,
25,
white radish
white radish
36.
36.
Estimate the total number of radishes.
Estimate the total number of radishes.
We need to add 25
We need to add 25
and 36
36
to find the total number of radishes.
to find the total number of radishes.
I will add using bundles and sticks.
I will add using bundles and sticks.
25 red radishes,
25 red radishes,
36 white radishes.
36 white radishes,
25 radish
25 radishes
plus 36 white radish
plus 36 white radishes
is equal to
is equal to
radishes.
radishes.
25 plus 36
25 plus 36
is equal to.
is equal to.
See how
See how
I do it
I do it
on the number line.
on the number line.
0,
0,
10,
10,
20,
20,
30, 40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90,
90,
100.
100.
25 plus 5
25 plus 5
plus 10
plus 10
plus 10
plus 10
plus 10
plus 10
plus 1.
plus 1.
Find other ways of solving
Find other ways of solving
the same problem
the same problem
on the number line.
on the number line.
Nanima puts tomatoes
Nanima puts tomatoes
and carrots
and carrots
in a box
in a box
and writes 100 on it.
and writes 100 on it.
I remember
I remember
she had put 65 tomatoes.
she had put 5 tomatoes.
We need not count
We need not count
the carrots.
the carrots.
Nandini draws the given problem.
Nandini draws the given problem.
65 tomatoes,
65 tomatoes,
carrots,
carrots,
question mark.
question mark.
Your estimation of carrots
Your estimation of carrots.
circle the bundle of sticks
Circle the bundle of sticks
that shows the correct number of carrots.
that show the correct number of carrots.
Solve the above problem
Solve all of the problems
on the number line.
on the number line.
Tomatoes and
Tomatoes and
carrots,
carrots,
total
total,
vegetables.
vegetables.
Tomatoes taken out from a box
Tomatoes taken out from the box
of 100 vegetables,
of 100 vegetables,
leaves,
leaves,
carrots,
carrots,
100 minus,
100 minus,
teacher's note.
teacher's note.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to share their thinking
to share their thinking
behind their estimates
behind their estimates
and answers.
and answers.
Nanima asks
Nanima asked
Nandini and Chirag
Nandini and Chirag
to pluck the ripe apples.
plug the rice apple.
Whoa! So many of them.
So many of them.
I collected 85 apples.
I plucked 85 apples.
I plucked 67 apples.
I plucked 65 5.
Let us see
Let us see
how many total apples
how total apples
we have collected.
we have collected.
Draw a box diagram
Draw a box diagram
for the problem below.
for the problem below.
80 and 20
80 and 20
is 100,
is 100.
so they would be
So they would be
more than
more than
100 in all.
100 in all.
85 apples,
85 apples,
67 apples.
67 apples.
How many apples in all?
How many apples in all?
Try finding out the answer
Try finding out the answer
on the number line below.
on the number line below.
70,
70,
80,
80,
90,
90,
100,
100,
110,
110,
120,
120,
130,
130,
140,
140,
150,
150,
160,
160,
170.
170,
85 apples
85 apples
plus 67 apples
plus 67 apples
is equal to
is equal to
apples.
apples.
85 plus 67
85 plus 67
is equal to
is equal to
who collected more?
who collected more?
Nandini or Chirag?
Nandini or Chirag?
How much more?
How much more?
Chirag draws a box diagram
Chirag draws a box diagram
for the problem
for the problem.
85,
85,
67,
67,
question mark.
question mark.
Nandini's apples,
Nandini's apple,
Chirag's apples,
Chirag's apple.
how much more?
How much more?
Collected
Collected
apples more than
apples more than
teacher's note.
teacher's note.
Create more such word problems.
Create more such word problems.
Allow children
Allow children
to draw and solve them
to draw and solve them
using locally available materials.
using locally available materials.
Solve the following problems
Solve the following problems.
by first drawing the box diagrams.
First, drawing the box diagram.
Use matchsticks bundles
Use matchstick bundles
or a number line
or a number line
to find the answer. 1. Bubbly Didi sold 34 books
Bubbly sold 34 books
on Monday
on Monday
and 45 books on Tuesday.
and 45 books on Tuesday.
How many books
How many books
did she sell
did she sell
in the 2 days?
in the 2 days?
How many more
How many more
did she sell on Tuesday
did she sell on Tuesday
than on Monday?
than on Monday?
2. In a cricket match
In a cricket match
at Rosary School,
at Rosary School,
Team Red made
Team Red made
56 runs
56 runs
before lunch
before lunch
and 65 runs
and 65 runs
after lunch.
after lunch.
How many
How many
total runs
total runs
did they make?
did they make?
3.
3.
Rama sells vadas
Rana sells vadas.
in the school canteen.
In the school canteen,
She has sold 39 vadas.
she has sold 39 vadas.
The first day,
The first day,
she sold 12 more.
she sold 12 more.
The next day,
The next day,
how many vadas
how many vadas
did she sell
did she sell
in these 2 days?
in these 2 days?
4.
For
Gehu brings 56 plants
Gehu brings 56 plants
for her terrace garden.
for her terrace garden.
Some plants dried up.
Some plants dried up.
She is left with 29 plants.
She is left with 29 plants.
How many plants
How many plants
dried up?
dried up?
5.
5.
Choose 2 numbers.
Choose 2 number.
Make a word problem
Make a word problem
using the 2 numbers.
using the 2 numbers.
Share it with your classmates.
Share it with your classmates.
Let us play.
Let us play.
This game is to be played
This game is to be played
between 2 children.
between 2 children.
The first player should say a number
The first player should say a number
between 1 and 10.
between 1 and 10.
The second player
The second player
adds a number
adds the number
between 1 and 10
between 1 and 10
to the first player's number.
with the first player's number.
The first player again
The first player again
adds a number between a 1 and 10
adds the number between 1 and 10
to the previous sum.
to the previous sum.
The player to reach 100 first
The players to reach 100 first
is the winner.
is the winner.
An example is given here.
An example is given here.
Player 1 wins this round.
Player 1 wins this round.
Play this game with your friends.
Play this game with your friends.
Let us do.
Let us do.
1.
1.
Estimate the answer and say
Estimate the answer and say
if it will be more or less than 100.
if it will be more or less than 100.
Match with the correct one.
Match the correct word.
150 minus 50
150 minus 50
is 100.
is 100.
So,
So
150 minus 49
150 minus 49
is more than 100.
is more than 100.
More than 100,
More than 100,
less than 100.
less than 100.
2. Solve the above problems
Solve the above problems
using a number line.
using a number line.
Write the answer next
Write the answer next
to the problem.
to the problem. Write the answer next to the problem.
Teacher's note.
Teacher's note.
Please note that
Please note that
the number line can start from any number.
the number line can start from any number.
The distance between two numbers
The distance between two numbers
can be changed
can be changed
as required.
as required.
Children can also work
Children can also work
with open number lines
with open number lines
without maintaining
without maintaining
equal distances
equal distances
between two numbers.
between two numbers.
They should be asked
They should be asked
to write the jumps
to write the jumps
they are taking on the number line.
they are taking on the number line.